C. Standard 12th Maths, Chapter 5, Exercise 5.2, question number 8, 6th subdivision. Identify the type of conic and find center, foci, vertices and directrices. 6th subdivision. 9x squared minus y squared minus 36x minus 6y plus 18 equal to 0. First, let us write in the perfect square form. You collect the x squared term, 9x squared minus 36x. Then y squared term minus y squared minus 6y plus 18 is equal to 0. See, you take the first two term, 9x squared minus 36x. You can take common terms outside here in the first two terms. 9 is common, so you will get x squared minus 4x. Take the next two terms, minus is common and common term is here 1. You can take it as 1. So, y squared, I have taken minus outside, so plus 6y plus 18 is equal to 0. See, you have to write in the perfect square form. So, x squared minus 4x. Take half of this x, that x coefficient 4. So, half of this is 2 plus 2 square minus 2 squared minus y squared plus 6y. Half of this 6 is 3. So, 3 squared minus 3 squared plus 18 is equal to 0. So, 9 into first 3 terms I can replace it as x minus 2 the whole squared. And minus 2 squared is 4 minus 9 4s are 36. You have to multiply minus. This is y plus 3. All the terms are positive. So, y plus 3 the whole square. This is minus 9, but this minus you will get plus 9 plus 18 is equal to 0. So, 9 x minus 2 the whole squared minus y plus 3 the whole squared. See, 9 plus 18, 27. You are having minus 36 here. So, minus 9. So, when you take it to the other side, it will become plus 9. So, you have to get here as 1. So, divide each term by 9. So, by 9 means this 9 gets cancelled. X minus 2 the whole square, you will get just 1. And this is y plus 3 the whole square by 9. So, let me replace x minus 2 as capital X, small y plus 3 as capital Y. So, the equation becomes x squared by 1 minus y squared by 9 is equal to 1. See the sign in between the term, it is minus. So, it is a hyperbola. It is a hyperbola. And one more thing you have to see here, it is first term x squared and minus y squared. So, transverse axis is parallel to x axis. Parallel to x axis. Okay. See, in terms of capital X, so write capital X, x dash, capital Y, y dash. Center, origin 0. So, this is the center of this hyperbola. And vertex is A, positive side, this is A dash. A is A comma 0. This is minus A comma 0. Foci S dash. So, AE comma 0 minus AE comma 0. Directrices here. So, here it is parallel to y axis. So, x is constant. Capital X is equal to A by E. Capital X equal to minus A by E. That's all. We'll do the sums and find the values in terms of small x and small y. So before start doing that, we will find that what is here, a squared is 1. A squared is 1 and b squared is 9. So a is root of 1, that is 1. And find e. E is equal to root of 1 plus b squared by a squared. So root of 1 plus b squared value is 9 by 1. That is root of 1 9s are 9. Sorry, 1 1s are 1. 1 plus 9 is 10 by 1, that is root 10. Find AE. AE. A is 1. 1 into root 10, that is root 10. Find A by E. A is 1. E is root 10. We'll have the tab. See, write the hyperbola equation. X squared, capital X squared by 1 minus capital Y squared by 9 is equal to 1. We are going to find in terms of capital X and Y, and here small x and y. So what you are taking, capital X is equal to x minus 2. Therefore small x is capital X plus 2 and small y is, here you can refer this, capital Y is y plus 3. So small y is capital Y minus 3. Capital Y minus 3. First find center. Center for this hyperbola is 0, 0. This is capital X value, capital Y value. So small x is 0 plus 2, 2, and 0 minus 3 is minus 3. See, you have the tabular column, write the hyperbola equation, and it is in terms of capital X and capital Y and small x y. See, we make the substitution, capital X is x minus 2. So small x is capital X plus 2. Y plus 3 is capital Y. So small y is y minus 3. That's I have written here. First one is center. So center in terms of capital X and Y is 0, 0. And in terms of small x and small y, you substitute capital X as 0. So small x is 0 plus 2 is 2. And substitute here capital Y as 0, 2 minus 3. This is your center. And vertices. Vertices is capital A is A, 0. 2 vertices A dash minus A, 0. That I have shown in the diagram, A dash. So what is A here? A is equal to 1. So 1, 0. And this is minus 1, 0. Substitute here capital X as 1. 1 plus 2, 3. And y is 0, so minus 3. Here minus 1, substitute x as minus 1. So minus 1 plus 2, so plus 1. And then 0 minus 3 is minus 3. Next is foci. Two focus you have. One is S is AE, 0 and S dash minus AE, 0. We have got the value of AE. What is AE? Root 10. So root 10, 0. And this is minus root 10, 0. You substitute in this. Capital X is root 10. So S is root 10 plus 2, capital Y is 0. So 0 minus 3 is minus 3. S dash. Substitute capital X as minus root 10 plus 2, 0, capital Y 0. So minus 3. Next is directrices. Directrices. Capital X is, see the diagram, capital X is A by E and here this is minus A by E. So A by E and capital X is minus A by E. What is the value of A by E? 1 by root 10. So capital X is 1 by root 10. Here capital X is minus 1 by root 10. Convert into small x. So small x is, capital X is 1 by root 10 plus 2 and small x is, capital X is minus 1 by root 10 plus 2. You combine these two equations, plus 2 plus minus 1 by root 10. This is the directrices. So I hope you understand this clearly. Just go through this. Thank you.